melody, but just two little sounds. I'm gonna add something to it real quick. About to use a new VST I just got, Sky Keys. Supplement the horns. Find me a drum kit real quick. I just like that loop. I kinda just wanna try it just to see what it sounds like. That it took no time at all. Kind of hard to catch that little wave. Hold on, let me try to feel a vibe while it plays. Fix my note a little bit. I think that should be quicker. I just gotta say, I love pads. Sometimes it just hit different things in time. I'm gonna go ahead and add that clink somewhere. actually gonna change my hat to B2. Y'all hear that? I do not like that weird sound. So, what you want to do is go to your sampler, that's this thing, and I fade it out. Then I bring it back. Then I cut that part out. Just to make this ending here a little bit like a fader. Just do a high cut. Not too sold on that. I like the slide, like boom, 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 you. I always hum and kind of rap on the Baker beats. It kind of helped me come up with stuff, but I like that, so I was. Basic. So remember, play it from the top. We started off with just these two sounds right here. I hate that the VST pops up every time. Plus this sound. Song. So I usually append my song to the playlist according to how I set up the scenes. Then my chorus always ends up on my 14. That's when I include everything. into songs. Scene 1, scene 2. I try to do my scenes in the order which I'm gonna put them out. Put my hook in 2 measures. Usually bridge into a hook, but I'm gonna skip that on the first go around. I'm gonna do verse 1. I'm gonna do that in 2 measures. Then I'm gonna go into a bridge, and then I'm gonna bring a hook back. And then after the hook, I'm gonna go into verse 2. 2 measures. Then I'm gonna go into a bridge. Then I'm gonna bring a hook back. Then I'm gonna go backwards like an outro. I don't know, just real quick. As you can see, I pinned the song of each one, and I got a little layout. Nice, simple. I love Maschine. It's easy to get your ideas and your thoughts out. Let's listen back to it one time. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for listening. Got some things I need to clean up, but I appreciate it.